There once was a kid named Frog Kid. They were left in the nursery by their father or mother. They don't really remember. They would have timid ears, pinned ears, but her type of cats would either have pinned ears, timid ears whenever they sleep. So, she walked out to camp. Oh wait, I'm sorry. So today I'm gonna be doing a role play. I got more storage now. So, Frog Kit is a rare type of cat. She's the only one remaining from the war between the other cats. But the only thing she could remember was her mom and dad. She doesn't really remember who left them. But the only thing she saw was her father unalived. Yes, I'm saying unalived, so I don't get, that the mom passed. Or endgamed. She saw her father endgamed. So basically, it must have been her mother that took her to the nursery and left her there before she got endgamed. It was a war between ThunderClan and WindClan. A lot of cats went to ThunderClan. A lot of the WindClan cats went to ThunderClan. But then, to this day, she still doesn't know if there's going to be a war or not. Because she has a special power where she can see how many people are there. And some other stuff. I forgot what I said. Gosh. One second. I'm gonna be right back. I'll never meet nobody like you. I am back. Hello. Hello, I am back. So today I'm gonna be doing a role play. Oh wait, I gotta change my bio. My description. This is what I do now. Alright, let me continue. Fog Kit was not a normal kit. Fog Kit came out the room. Just came out a few days ago. Wait 1 second, I need to check how much battery I have. 62, that's enough. And also, Fog is a very nice kit, but they have different colored pets. Well, different colored paws. One bottom paw is gray and the other is black. But it's not mixed matched, it's the same. Look like that. Like that. She does wander into some places she knows she's not supposed to. Hi. Hi, Daddy. There you go. So we're gonna do a little thing. So I'm gonna become a kid spec. I'm a kid spec. Okay. So it seems like this person talks through their bio for some reason. Unborn. I can't believe this is what I do now. So basically, her name is Yarrow Paws. Talk bio. Yes, more kit. This one time I joined this random server and these people, and I was a kid spec, and they already had like 20 specs claimed already, and I was gonna be the 21st, and like I was like, why do you need that many specs? They're like, we're gonna have like a lot of children. We have like 20 specs already. The rules have reversed koala. Reversed koala, bro. What is a reversed koala? I am unborn. Get in my belly. Unborns. I'm gonna ask him when am I gonna be born? Exactly. Oh my god, we have another one. You want the fourth, or is 3 good? You want four. I shouldn't be mean. Dog spec, give bone to claim. Last night roleplay was good. Last night's roleplay was good. I know it was so good. Fellow Spick. Bork bork. Hello, Bear Song. I am Unborn Kit. We're having unborn kits. Me and Yara. Possibly sibling. Hell no. I'm not doing the birth thing. Look. Me. I was brought into this. And I agreed. Finally. We have 3 siblings. I'm gonna have 2 siblings. That person is gonna have 2 siblings. One of us dies. We now have 1. Bro, this is so cool. Sadly, no one subscribed yet. Anyways, if you're watching this, please hit and you've been watching like a YouTuber called Mrs. Duckies. Yeah, please sub to my channel because please sub to Mrs. Duckies. We're almost so close to 20 subscribers on my other account. Well, sadly, I can't go back to that account for some reason. Sadly. So I will be posting on this account. They do be two T-posing. Anyways, so please subscribe to this channel and my other channel. I only need like 2 more subscribers. Thank you very much. I will try and get back into that channel. Thank you. Also, please subscribe and like this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications and videos like this. And if this video gets more than 10 likes, I will be doing a part 2 on this. But this is not done yet. This roleplay is gonna be long. I may do the roleplay in part 2. That roleplay, this dog spec, it's okay. You can just say no. They poofed. The dog spec poofed. Oh, them? They poofed. Mom, you need to change your name to a warrior name. Bro. So, wait. So this one time, I was drowning. I was drowning a long time ago. But then I got out because I'm such a girl boss. Because I got out. I drowned. I drowned on Sunday. I'm speaking true words. Guys, we got this guy. Get him before he tries to hurt us. Please get out. Leave, please. You didn't get anything though. You didn't get anything though. Like, why is it? I got enough anyways. Fake spy? This is a fake spy, guys. This is fake. That fake spy. He's literally like the only one. Fake spy. Near. Alright, so, this video is gonna be a little bit long. Alright, I'm here now. Anyway, guys, I will be doing some other stuff on this. As soon as the roleplay starts, I will update you. Oh gosh.